So a few weeks ago, I did a video on quick way to place bracket, market, limit, and stop orders on Interactive Brokers TWS right from within the Excel. So after I released the video, I got a query from a trader and he asked me if it's possible to place a bracket order on TWS from Excel with two take profit orders. So what I did is I modified that Excel tool and I'm going to share the updated version of the tool with you in this video. So in case you haven't watched my earlier video, I recommend that you first watch that video. I will leave a link of that video in the description below. So this is the updated version of the Excel tool. Let me quickly summarize what we have here. So we have three tables. The first table on the left is the contract details table. In this table, we specify the details of the contract on which we want to place the order. The second table is the market data table. Excel will fetch live streaming market data for whatever contract is specified in the contract details table. So let's take an example and specify the ticker as GOOGL. And as soon as we do that, Excel fetches bid price, ask price, last price, day high, day low, and the previous close into the respective fields. The third table is the bracket order table. In this table, we specify details of the bracket order that we want to place. So the first four rows are for specifying the direction, quantity, and the entry price for the parent entry order. The next two rows are for specifying the target price and the quantity for the first profit taker. Next two rows are for specifying the target price and quantity for the second profit taker. The next row is for specifying the stop loss for the entire order. And we can ignore these bottom two rows for now. So I have pre-configured this bracket order table. The parent order is a buy order with 100 shares and entry limit price of 169.5, which is directly linked to the day low. First profit target is 2%. The quantity is 75% of the total buy quantity. So that would be 75 shares. Second profit target is 4% and quantity is the remaining 25 shares. Stop loss is 1% below the entry price. Now let's see what happens when we place this bracket order. So let's click on this place order button. And as soon as we do that, three orders appear in the TWS window. The first order is the entry buy limit order, the second order is the profit taker order, and the third order is the stop loss order. And you just saw that our entry order got filled. Now you might be wondering why we have only one profit taker, whereas in the Excel we have specified two profit takers. And that's because we are making use of ScaleTrader to place two profit targets, as there is no direct way to place two attached profit targets to a bracket order. So what will happen is TWS will submit our initial order with the target price of 172.2 and quantity of 75 shares. And once first target is achieved, TWS will submit another order with the remaining quantity of 25 shares and profit target of 175.6. Now let's try placing a bracket order in the Apple stock. So we change this ticker to Apple. And now let's click on this place order button. And we have this bracket order working in the TWS. So once you have configured your bracket order table, it becomes pretty easy to place the orders using this Excel tool. Please do let me know if you have any suggestions, feedback, or any new ideas.